Do you wake up every morning with stiff neck or neck pain? You are not alone. Neck pain due to poor sleeping posture is incredibly common, but the good news is it's totally preventable. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the good sleeping posture and the right pillow to use to wake up pain-free every morning. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Anand, physiotherapist from Singapore. In this video, I'm going to talk about how the good sleeping posture can greatly help to reduce neck pain and stiffness. For that, we need to understand what is a normal curvature of the spine and why it's important to maintain this normal curvature of the spine when you are sleeping. Let's dive deep. Our spine is a central structure which keeps us upright and also connects different parts of our skeletal system. And our spine is not actually straight. It has three natural curvature in it. These curvatures are there mainly to absorb shock and helps us in mobility. Let's talk about cervical curvature. The cervical curvature is in our neck region. Here, the spine slightly bends inward, forming a C shape. It gives us a good mobility and also helps to support our head. Let's talk about mid and upper back region. This is called thoracic curvature. Here, the C bends outward, forming a C shape as well. It supports your rib cage and protects your vital organs. And the third curvature is in our lower back, which is lumbar curvature. Again, same like the cervical curvature. Here the spine bends inward again, forming a C shape. It gives excellent mobility when you're bending forward, when you're bending backward, when you're picking up something. So all these three curvatures act like a cushioning system of our spine, gives you excellent shock absorption property as well as mobility. So when you're sleeping, maintaining these curvatures are very important. When you lose these curvatures, so that's when the problem like neck pain, back pain, all these things appear. So in order to reduce this, maintaining this normal curvature in our spine when you are sleeping is very important. That's what we are going to talk about. Now let's explore how to maintain this normal curvature in our spine using a right pillow, proper hand position and sleeping posture. Sleeping on your back is one of the best way to maintain your spine's natural curvature. In this position, your head, neck and your whole spine comes to a normal alignment which is in a neutral zone. So maintaining this alignment actually prevent any pressure points. It will distribute your body weight evenly, reducing your neck pain and back pain. But using a right pillow is very important to maintain the normal curvature of the spine. If you ask me, my personal favorite is using a contour memory foam pillow. So this kind of pillow which has a normal curvature built in it, so it allows your head to nicely sink within the region, and this contour area here which supports your neck C-shaped curvature. So your neck spine will nicely be placed and supported by this pillow. In case if you don't have a contour pillow like this, so what else you can do is you can use a normal pillow, but you can take a towel and roll it and form it like a small neck roll and put inside your pillowcase and make sure that it comes under your neck. So your head will be on the pillow and the neck will be on the towel roll that you are placing inside the pillowcase. This also will give you excellent support to your cervical spine. Another important factor to consider here is a pillow height. Most of my patients ask me this common question, which is like, what is the right height for my pillow? According to me, using a medium sized pillow is quite suitable for most of the people to maintain a normal curvature of your neck spine. Sometimes people tend to use 2 or 3 pillows to sleep on, which won't actually help you at all because it pushes your head forward. It completely puts your spine in a malalignment position, which causes unnecessary trauma to your neck muscles as well as your shoulder muscle. And also sleeping without pillow is also not so great because it won't support your head in a nice way, so your muscles tend to get stiffer. When you wake up in the morning, most likely you will have a neck pain or neck stiffness. So the final note here, use a medium sized contour pillow would be more appropriate. The next best position to sleep is on your side. Side sleeping supports a natural alignment of your spine. It also reduces the risk of snoring and breathing issues. However, maintaining a normal alignment of your spine is crucial in this position as well. So how do we do it? So if you are a side sleeper, I would recommend using a higher pillow. Why? Because when you are sleeping on your side, there is a huge gap between your shoulder and your ear here. If you're using a thinner pillow or a smaller size pillow, it won't fill this gap between your ear and the shoulder. Your head tends to fall this way, which causes unnecessary loading onto your neck. If you use too high a pillow, let's say you're putting 2 pillows and lying on it on your side, it tilts the head other way, which also strains your neck muscle here. So my personal recommendation is using a higher loft or contour pillow like a memory foam pillow, which actually fills the gap between your ear and the shoulder, which maintains your normal alignment of your spine even though you're sleeping on your side. The next very important thing to consider is your hand placement. Place your hand in front of you, stacked one over the other. Alternatively, you can also hug a pillow. That's my personal favorite. It prevents the shoulder rolling forward, it also gives you excellent comfort. One very important thing here, don't tuck your hand under your head. This actually puts a lot of strain on your rotator cuff shoulder muscles as well as the neck muscle. It also raises your head's height, so your spine cannot be in a neutral position. So please avoid that position. If you are a stomach sleeper, I'm really sorry, this is not one of the best positions that you can be in. You can't maintain a normal curvature of your spine when you are sleeping on your stomach. Your head tends to rotate and extend when you are on your stomach, causes unnecessary strain on your neck and spine muscles. So if you tried sleeping on your side, on your back, and it's not working for you, you could only sleep when you are sleeping on your stomach, then no choice. If that's the case, consider using a very thin pillow or no pillow at all to bring the head as flat as possible. This reduces the strain on your neck and your spine muscles. Another thing to consider here is placing a pillow under your pelvis or hip. It reduces the strain on your lower back when you are sleeping on your stomach. It's not my personal favorite position, but if you no choice, then follow these tips. Okay, to wrap up, maintaining a good sleeping posture is crucial for reducing neck pain. Remember to choose the right pillow height, a good hand placement, and maintaining your normal spine curvatures. These simple adjustments plays a huge role in how you feel when you wake up every day. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.